The Delta variant has caused more than 83% of new COVID-19 cases in the U.S. Hospital officials say that's what they're seeing here. And the variant poses a threat of another surge with fewer than half of county residents vaccinated. Channel 3's Joy Dukes continues our team coverage now. Joy?
Yes, Cindy, in the last few weeks, lab researchers locally who have been conducting sequencing on positive test samples say that about 80 to 90% of the tests that they've processed have been the Delta variant as well. And that is pretty concerning news to doctors at our local hospitals who say that most of the people who are in the ICUs at this point are unvaccinated.
In fact, this virus is not going away. It's not going away.
527 active cases and 60 people in the ICU.
Between our three hospitals, almost all the admissions for COVID are in unvaccinated people.
In the last 2 weeks, the Hamilton County Health Department has reported a 218% increase in COVID-19 cases, 50% of them in people under the age of 30.
We have been fearful of this because the Delta variant of COVID-19 is much more contagious. Estimates range from 75 to 100%.
Dr. Mark Anderson with CHI Memorial says the spike in case numbers and hospitalizations is a great indicator as the health department now confirms multiple cases of the Delta variant present in Hamilton County.
If you have an unvaccinated population and a much more contagious virus, you only need a few cases to come into the community and you begin to see spread.
While this uptick in cases is not surprising, given 2 major holidays for gatherings and low vaccination numbers.
In other parts of the country with poor vaccination rates like we have, there have been major surges.
Dr. Maria Lambert with the city of Chattanooga says the current trend is unsettling.
We still need to be concerned and continue to monitor that, continue to reinforce the need for distancing, hand washing, wearing masks.
And a lot of them will start spreading it before they even know that they're sick. That's a hallmark of infection with this virus.
They're urging the 58% of residents who are unvaccinated to reconsider their status. The big difference, again, that the data is showing is for people who are vaccinated, you may still get exposed to the virus and be infected, but you are way less likely to experience very serious symptoms or even have to be hospitalized. There are several places where you can go to get the COVID-19 vaccine in the city and the county. The city has several locations that they're partnering with, local organizations. You can find more details on that by clicking on this story inside the WRCB app. We're now reporting live in Chattanooga, Joy Dukes, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.